It's your food addiction here. Welcome to my cooking channel.
Hi guys, it's me again. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very simple recipe. It doesn't take a long time, but it's very good.
We always start off by washing our hands to be clean and hygienic. Hey guys, today we're making green chicken curry. It's a very easy recipe to follow, and these are all the ingredients as you can see. So I'm going to show you right now how to make it. Okay, so we have our chicken, breast chicken. Just cut them like this. It's okay however you cut it. And then sugar, we usually have brown, but that's okay. And then there's fish sauce. We have broccoli. And then there's your onion and green and red bell peppers, garlic, and our snow peas. We also have our green curry paste. You can make it or buy it in the store. It's just easier to just buy it. And then you have coconut cream. You can use light or any one you choose. There's lime juice as well to add a bit of flavor in it. Just put a little bit of olive oil and then usually put it to medium when you start cooking it. Add your chicken in and just stir it a bit and put it on low. Make sure you're breaking the chicken evenly so that it cooks nicely. Once your chicken is looking like this, just put the stove back to high for a little while. Just keep stirring your chicken for a little while longer, just making sure it's cooked evenly. Now you just season your chicken with salt. Just put a little bit of pepper as well, white pepper, just a little bit. Now we've come to the part where we add the garlic in. It just gives it such a great flavor, and just put all of it in and then stir it for a while. After stirring for about 2 minutes, add the onions in and then you stir for another 2 minutes as well. At this point you want to reduce your heat to low and then add 1 tablespoon of the green curry and then just mix it around. Make sure the chicken is coated in green curry just so it just sucks in all that great flavor, and just keep stirring it for about 3 minutes. At this part you add about 3/4 of the green curry paste in and just a little bit of coconut milk. Stir it for a while. Just keep stirring it until the meat is coated in the green curry, and then just put up the heat a little bit. Okay, now we're going to add more coconut cream, about 200 ml of it, and just add the whole bit, and then we're going to stir it around for 5 minutes. At this point we're going to add just another tablespoon of green curry paste, and we're just going to stir the mixture around. Now you just leave it to simmer for another 5 to 8 minutes. At this point, when simmered for approximately 8 minutes. This is the time when you get all of your vegetables that you've prepared, and then you just put them all in there, all together. Your bell peppers and your green peas and your broccoli in there, and you just have to give it a stir. After we stir the mixture with the vegetables, we're going to add curry powder. It's a good element because it gives it such a great rich texture to the curry. It's really, really, really good to add. Just add a little bit in there. This is what it looks like now. Just give it a good stir. It's starting to really, really come together now. Just keep stirring for a little while longer. Okay, you let it simmer for a little while, just a minute or so. And the next ingredient that we're going to add is fish sauce, just a tiny little bit, about a teaspoon of it. I don't like to add too much, but it gives it a really, really, really nice taste. Stir it around for a bit. So this is the part when we add the sugar in. We just add just a teaspoon of sugar. Usually brown sugar is used, but if you don't have brown, white works just fine. It always works great for me. There's a lot of stirring action going on, but just keep stirring for a little while longer, just to make sure all the flavors are mixed in really nicely together. This is one of the final touches, the lime juice. You add firstly a teaspoon of it and stir it around, add another teaspoon. Okay, now you are finished with your green chicken curry. After stirring for a while, just let it simmer for just a little while longer, and then you turn off the heat from the stove. It's done. Yay, yum yum. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you like it. You should try it and tell me how it is, and just comment below and like and subscribe and just tell me what you think. Bye guys, see you next time. Bye.